What was maybe your biggest takeaway from your involvement, or do you have any memorable stories from behind the scenes?
Yeah, something that's crazy was about 9 years ago, I met Donald in a album listening party. And at the time, I was like, hey, I think I'm going to work with you one day. I'm going to put that in the universe.
Absolutely.
And he was like, okay, man. No. So 9 years later, we did our scene. And then after it was all said and done and I rapped, I was like, hey, dude, here's a photo of me and you 9 years ago. Full circle moment for me. And he was like, oh my God, that's crazy. He's like, you actually did what you were going to say you were going to do. And I was like, yeah, it was a pretty cool moment. So that was probably the most surreal moment for me.
I love that. So you had the receipts. You were able to show him the photo.
No. I got 4 pictures. I had them ready. I was like, okay, this I look bad in this one. Okay, this one is, I approve this one. So yeah, they were on deck.
So imagine you get sucked into kind of this similar storyline, and you get sucked into a mission. Who's the first person you're texting to help you out?
Wow. Probably my mom. My mom is like OG Cuban, assassin. I feel like she's a badass mom, so I'd probably call her to have my back.
Yeah, she got your back.
I'm more of like the tech guy. That'd be like my role, like all tech gadgets. And she's like, when some guys mess with me, like do a little karate chop.
Yeah.
So yeah.
So it sounds like we need to see you as a guy in a chair.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
I love that.
If not, I need to get like some sort of a trainer to like put me through a vigorous training for 6 months before I start like beating up bad guys.
Yeah. So talking about being a spy, going down that, are you good at keeping secrets? Do you have a funny story about a secret you did or didn't keep very well?
I'm gonna look at the camera and say, yes, I'm a good secret keeper.
Okay, so what would be your best spy quality?
My best, maybe the swag, like the clothes. I feel like the James Bond vibe, but that's as far as I go.
Yeah.
That's as far as I go. So.
Like the undercover /
Yeah.
upscale.
Yeah, 100%. Like maybe I'm like the random butler, like in the crowd, like with the disguise. That'd probably be me. The disguises, I would say.
And last question: if you were a secret agent, what would your code name be?
My code name, Spitz. I don't know. I feel like it rolls off the tongue nice. Spitz. Yeah.
I love that.
Yeah. Right.
Awesome. Thank you
like
so
Aperol
much.
Spritz, but yeah. But thank you so much. I appreciate it.
It was nice to meet you.
Enjoy your night, and I'll see you guys around.
Yeah.
So,
Congrats on the show.
Thank you. Appreciate it.